Hello, today I'll be showing you how to change the battery in this 2 gig motion sensor. The tools we need for the job is a medium-sized Phillips head screwdriver and a CR123A battery, which can be acquired at any local hardware store. The first step is we're going to unscrew the back plate from the main motion sensor so we can access the battery in the back. Once it's been unscrewed, we can then pop off the plate like so. There we'll locate the old battery, which we will then remove as well and replace with the new battery. We're going to replace the battery with the same way that the image is inside, or negative on this end and positive on this end, like so, and it should sit in nicely. Then to reapply the cover plate, all we're going to do is we're going to line up the top first. We're going to take the cover plate and line it up like so, top first, and then we're going to push down on the bottom and make sure that there's a nice seal all the way around the motion sensor. The final step is we're going to re-screw in the back plate to secure it onto the motion sensor. And that's it.